La 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 la.
Okay, good morning, children. Today I have come with some more problems from the exercise 12.3. Let us read the first question. In the figure shown below, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O and perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. If OA is 7 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, let us analyze this. See here, children. Here there is a circle with center O in which AB and CD are two diameters of the same circle with center O, and they are perpendicular to each other, right? When we analyze and look at the figure, this is the combination of two segments and a right angled triangle, then two circles. Okay, one circle with diameter AB and another circle with diameter OD. Okay, half of BA is, okay, OA, that is the radius of the larger circle with center O, and half of DO is the radius of the smaller circle. I take capital R as the radius of the larger circle and small r as the radius of smaller circle. Okay, it is given that OD is equal to OA is equal to 7 centimeter. See here, OD and OA are radii of the same circle, and that is why OD is equal to OA is equal to 7 centimeter. So OA is equal to radius of the larger circle, I take it as capital R, is equal to 7 centimeter. But what is the radius of the smaller circle? Huh? Here they have given that OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. See, OD is diameter of the smaller circle, and OD by 2 means half of the diameter is radius of the smaller circle. We know that OD is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, I put OD is equal to 7. 7 by 2 becomes the radius of the smaller circle. Okay, here we need to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, what is the formula to find out the area of the shaded region? Here we need to find the area of the shaded region, that is the area of this circle with radius small r equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, and the area of these two segments we need to find. That makes the shaded region. So what we should do is, let us first find out the area of the circle with radius small r, plus let us find the area of this semicircular region ABC. Okay, then let us subtract the area of the right angle triangle ACB. Okay, so area of the shaded region is equal to area of the circle where diameter is OD or radius is small r, plus area of this entire semicircular region, right? In this semicircular region, subtract the area of triangle ACB, then you will get the area of the shaded region. Okay, so children, here area of the shaded region is equal to phi r square, that is the area of this small circle with radius r, whose radius is 7 by 2 centimeter, plus area of this entire semicircular region. Okay, for this semicircular region, r is the radius. Therefore, full circle area is 5r square and semicircular region is half 5r square. Okay, full circle area is 5 capital R square and the semicircular region area is half 5 capital R square. Then minus, okay, the area of triangle ACB. Okay, is it clear? So children, we have area of the shaded region is equal to area of this small circle with radius small r plus area of this entire semicircular region, okay, minus the area of right angle triangle ACB. Okay, for this semicircular region ABC, I have the formula for half into 5r square because full circle region area is 5 capital R square and the semicircular region area is half 5 capital R square. Okay, minus this area of triangle ACB, which is right angle triangle. Right, now we see here children, r is 7 by 2, that is why it is 5 into 7 by 2 the whole square plus half into 5, and this capital R means it is OA, r square, it is 7 square, minus area of triangle ACB. See here, triangle ACB is again equal to the sum of two triangles. Okay, they are area of ACO plus area of BCO. See here, area of ACO triangle plus area of BCO triangle makes ACB triangle. Okay, for this triangle, I take the formula half into base into height. Okay, therefore children, here area of triangle ACB, okay, triangle ACB, area of triangle ACO, right, area of triangle ACO, I take this as base and this as height. Therefore, it is half into AO into OC. Is it clear? See here, for triangle ACO, I take the formula half into base into height. Here base is also 7 centimeter, height is also 7 centimeter. That is why it is half into AO into OC plus area of BCO, right? Area of BCO triangle. For this I take half into this BO as base and CO as height. Therefore, it is half into BO into OC, right? Here BO is also 7 centimeter and OC is also 7 centimeter. Therefore, again it is half into 7 into 7, right? So, here 7 sevens are 49, 49 into 1 by 2 is 49 by 2 plus 7 sevens are 49, 49 into 1 by 2 is 49 by 2. Okay. If I take the LCM of 2 and 2, it is 2 only. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then 149s are 49, 149s are 49. 49 plus 49, 2 times of 49, okay? 2 times of 49, then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 49 remains, that's why it is 49. This is the simplification of area of triangle ACB. Remember children, here ACB triangle is actually one triangle, but this is the combination of two triangles, ACO triangle plus BCO triangle. So separately I have found the area of this triangle and this triangle and added, therefore the area comes 49 centimeter square. Now let us come outside of this, right? Here 5 into 7 by 2 the whole square is 7 square by 2 square, okay, plus 1 by 2 into 5, 7 square, right? Here 7 square by 2 square is 49 by 4. So 49 by 4 into 5 is 49 by 4 5 plus 7 square is 49. 49 into 1 by 2 is 49 by 2 into 5. So we have 49 by 4 5 plus 49 by 2 5. Here 4 and 2's LCM is 4. Therefore 4 1s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. 1 49s are 49 5 and 2 49s are 98 5. So 98 5 49 5 is 147 upon 4 times of 5. Okay. Therefore children, we have 147 upon 4 5 minus 49 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region in this figure. Okay. But it can still be simplified. Let us see. So 147 by 4 into 22 by 7 minus 49. Okay. Here 2 2s are, 2 11s are, 7 1s are, 7 21s are. Okay. Therefore children, we have here 21 11s are 231 and then divided by 2. 231 upon 2 minus 49. Okay. 21 11s are 231 upon 2 minus 49. Therefore 231 upon 2 minus 49. After the simplification, we have 133 upon 2 centimeter square is the area shaded region in rational number form, but it is 66.5 centimeter square when expressed in decimal expansion. So the area of this entire shaded region is 66.5 centimeter square. Let us consider one more example. The example reads, in figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, and we can use phi is equal to 3.14. Right? Let us analyze this figure properly. See here children, here OABC is a square which is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. See here, OPBQ is the quadrant of a circle, okay, with central angle, right, 90 degree here, right, with central angle 90 degree. Here the quadrant OABQ is larger than the square OABC. Okay. See here children, the sector angle is O and that is equal to 90 degree. Since OABC is a square, all interior angles are 90 degree here. Okay. But how to find the area of the shaded region? This is the shaded region. Okay. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant OPBQ minus area of the square OABC. Okay. Find out the area of the quadrant first. Okay. Then subtract the area of this square OABC. Right. But to find the area of the quadrant OPBQ, we should know the value of radius of it. That is, we should know the value of OP. Right. If we know the value of OP, then we will find out the area of this quadrant. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. But we have been given the length of side of the square as 20 centimeter. See here, OA is 20 centimeter, AB is 20 centimeter, BC is 20 meter and CY is 20 centimeter. Do we know what is OP? Which is the radius of the quadrant? We don't know. That is why we should find the OP, right? For that, we need to make some construction. That is, join OB, right? OB and OP are the radii of the same quadrant or circle. So, triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. So, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle OAB. So, it is OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. But if the square is transposed this side, it becomes OB is equal to square root of OA square plus AB square. Okay. But OA is also 20 centimeter, the whole square, plus AB is also 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter the whole square. Right. OA and AB are equal. That is why it is OA square, OA square. Instead of AB square, I put OA square because OA and AB are equal, right? OA square plus OA square. It becomes 2 times of OA square. So, one OA will come out and root 2 remains inside. So, root 2 into OA. OA is 20 centimeter. Thus, it is root 2 into 20 centimeter, or 20 into root 2 centimeter is the length of OB, which is radius of the quadrant of the circle. But this OB is also equal to OP, right? Thus, children, we found the radius of the quadrant as 20 root 2 centimeter. Let us substitute these values and simplify. Look at me. Here, area of the quadrant, okay? For 360 degree, 5r square is the area. Then for 90 degree, how much is the area? Okay? Then minus area of the square OABC. Yeah? This is, A into A. So, or OA into AB. That is length into breadth, or base into height, or side into side. Anything can be used. So here it is length into breadth or side into side. One side length is 20. Therefore 20 into 20 is 400. And its simplification is 0 0 get cancelled, 9 1s are, 9 4s are. Then 4 1s are, 4 5s are. Right? Its simplification comes then 200 times of 5, because root 2 square is 2 again. Okay. Therefore 205 minus 400 is the answer. But it can still be simplified as 200 into 5. 5 means 3.14 minus 400. 200 into 3.14 is 628 minus 400. 628 minus 400 is 228 centimeter square. Therefore, children, the area of this shaded region is 228 centimeter square. So far you saw and learned so many problems related to find the area of the shaded region in the combination of different plane shapes. Okay. But here, children, we were not knowing the radius of the quadrant, so we did a construction OB here. Then we got OAB right angle triangle. We applied the Pythagoras theorem and found the value of OB. Then it was helpful for us to find out the area of the shaded region. How? The area of the shaded region is area of the quadrant OBPQ minus area of the square OABC. But the lengths of the sides of the squares have been given here. That is why it became easier for us to calculate the area of the shaded region. Okay. Thank you, children. Hope you learned the today's session, and please go to the other resource books and try to solve similar examples and become perfect. Thank you so much. Bye.